Hello YouTube world, I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to show you guys my new iPhone. So I upgraded my iPhone XS Max to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I also wanted to show you how I set my phone up. I didn't think I was going to really get into like widgets and stuff like that, but I kind of did a little bit. So anyways, I just really wanted to show you my new phone. I did upgrade from the XS Max 256GB to the iPhone 12 Pro Max 256GB. So I wanted to show you the comparison. It's been about 2 years, so I'm really excited to have a new phone. These phones are really expensive, but I think it's worth it. I don't know. Anyways, so I do have to trade in my XS Max to T-Mobile so that I can get monies off monthly for my phone, so I'm not paying as much really, which is great. I think those deals are really good. They could be a little bit better, but they're really good. Anyways, so I still do have the box that my XS Max came in, and I do have some footage of me receiving my phone from the mail. So my phone just arrived. It is 3:37, and I got a notification last night at like 10 o'clock, I feel like really late, that my phone shipped, and I paid for like regular ground shipping, and I was so surprised I was going to be here so quickly, like it's only a day. And I guess it's because it was in New Jersey, so it got here really fast. But I'm really excited. I'm already doing a horrible job with unboxing, but it came like this, and literally it's just the phone, and I had to get the adapter for the new thing. And I was so confused about the adapter. I really thought they changed like the cord, the plug in the phone, not just like the other end of it instead of USB, which honestly makes so much sense with my laptop, because I have the new laptop, and putting USB stuff in is so annoying. But anyways, yeah, I just have the phone. And the box, oh my gosh, it is a pretty, it feels like, even this box feels pretty big. So I have an XS Max right now, and I know it's a little bit smaller, but like, I don't know. Everyone was saying too, after I bought this thing, they were like, oh my gosh, it's so big. So now I'm kind of nervous, and it does feel pretty. I mean, the box is obviously bigger than the phone, but I don't know. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's so interesting too, because I haven't gotten a phone in 2 years, and I wanted to get the 11 Pro, and they were having like sales on it or whatever, but I wanted the 256GB, and they didn't have it. They only had the 24, I mean, not 24, they only had the 64, and whatever. So yeah, this is it. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. Extra excited because, I mean, I would have been excited for the 11 too, but I don't know, getting a new phone is so exciting, and I don't know, I have the newer one now. I'm just, oh, okay, let's do it. Let's see. I kind of wish I got the blue, but ooh. It's really interesting too, like the different golds and stuff. So this is like the new one. And then I have the gold for the XS Max, and it's more like a rose gold. Wow. Ooh, oh my gosh, actually it feels so nice. I actually wasn't expecting to like it as much as I do, even just like opening it right now. So what I'm going to do right now actually is I'm going to take out this cord, and I'm going to use it with my old phone to back up my phone on my computer. I'm not sure if I want to just transfer everything, but I feel like I should, because I have so many things I'm signed into that I just want to make it easier for myself instead of having to sign into everything all over again. But then again, I don't know. I'll see. I really wanted a white phone, but this is not bad. The gold is mostly on the side. The back, I don't know, it's a very, very interesting color. And then when you flip it over, it has this thing. And I don't remember any of the other iPhones having this, but it's like almost like a sticker that's covering the screen. And then it has the little details for where the buttons are, but like, we kind of all know at this point, if you had iPhones, what those are. So yeah, that's pretty cool. This is new. And then of course inside the box it has that and, you know, the cord. And then I had to buy the block. Also, another thing, I did order 2 cases and screen protectors for this phone, but it's not coming until next Monday. So I just have to make sure I don't do anything with it or scratch it or drop it or anything until next Monday. So wish me luck. I just wanted to show you the comparison in boxes from the XS Max to the 12. So this is the XS Max box, and this is the 12 Pro Max box. They changed the colors. I'm not sure if the other iPhone 12 phones have different color boxes, if they're all black or if some of them are white, but the iPhone 12 Pro Max has, has a black box. So this is the difference. The size is, in lengthwise is not that much different, just a tiny bit, but it is different in the width. You can clearly see, which I think it's good that they, you know, decided to, be more like environmentally friendly, and that was like their whole thing. If you keep up with Apple, they did talk about why the boxes are smaller and why we're not getting the little cubes in them for charging, which is perfectly fine for me. I do have the new MacBook Pro, so I do have the different plug-in. It's not USB, I think it's USB-C now, and I'm happy they gave me the cord with the new phone. Able to easily plug in my phone to my laptop compared to before I wasn't able to because I had to use like an adapter because it was a USB plug instead of a USB-C plug. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will show you a comparison of the phones. Hopefully I'm in focus because I haven't been the past 3 times I filmed this. So this is the XS Max. I still do have it just to show you guys the difference in the phones. And I will be sending it back to T-Mobile as soon as possible. And then this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And you can see already the difference. Obviously the cameras, but then also the color of the phones are different. This is it's kind of more like rose goldy, and this is like the actual gold color, which is what I got. And then you can see the comparison in size. Really not that much of a difference. Width-wise though, there is a difference. So my finger has been kind of hurting a little bit because of the difference in the width. And my pinky, we all have that dent now, but my pinky like sitting, I mean my phone sitting like on my pinky. So clearly you can see there's a difference in this and a difference in this. The phone is a little bit heavier, but I don't really mind that. I mean my finger does, but I think I've gotten used to it honestly. So that's really it. That's pretty much it. The camera quality is amazing so far. I haven't really taken that many pictures with it, but I'm really excited to have this new phone. It's been 2 years, so I think that's kind of a long time in like phone years, right? And then I also wanted to show you guys this case. I got this case from Target. I think it's just super cute. I bought a couple cases, but I saw this one online and I couldn't stop thinking about it, so I did get it, and I'm very happy with it. And one thing I actually have done to ease my finger pain a little bit, I have this little piggy thing, and it's like a pop socket. So it's a suction cup, and then you push it on the back, and then you're able to kind of hold your phone like this. So it makes it a lot easier. My pinky is like at the back of it instead of at the bottom holding, so it's much easier to be able to use my phone that way. So now I'm just gonna get into showing you guys what is on my phone and how it's set up. So I've actually decided to make this a separate video. So if you really want to see like the apps and stuff I have on my phone, please comment down below, and I will also post that video soon. Thanks you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!